In today's ever-changing financial landscape, the dream of becoming a millionaire is not just a distant fantasy, it's an attainable goal. Welcome to this comprehensive guide where we'll unveil a powerful 5-step formula to help you become a millionaire in 2023 or 2024. I'm excited to guide you on this journey to financial success and wealth building. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a clear roadmap, but a deep understanding of the principles that can transform your financial future. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. The foundation of wealth building begins with setting clear and meaningful financial goals. While it's tempting to dream big and say, "I want to be a millionaire," it's essential to break down your objectives into specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. For example, you might set a goal of saving $100,000 for a down payment on a house within the next 3 years. By defining your objectives, you create a roadmap for your financial journey, making it easier to stay on track and measure your progress along the way. But goal setting isn't just about numbers, it's also about understanding your why. What motivates you to become a millionaire? Is it financial security, the ability to travel, or perhaps the desire to give back to your community? Identifying your motivations can provide the emotional fuel needed to stay committed to your goals. Step 2. Create a detailed financial plan. Once you've established your financial goals, it's time to create a comprehensive financial plan. This plan involves budgeting and managing your expenses effectively. One popular budgeting rule is the 50-30-20 rule. This means allocating 50% of your income to essentials like housing and utilities, 30% to your lifestyle choices, and 20% for savings and debt reduction. Regularly tracking your expenses and making necessary adjustments will help you stay within your budget and build your savings over time. In your financial plan, consider creating an emergency fund. This fund acts as a safety net, providing you with financial stability in unexpected situations. A common guideline is to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. Moreover, don't forget about debt management. High-interest debt can erode your wealth-building efforts. Prioritize paying down high-interest debts like credit card balances while maintaining minimum payments on lower-interest debts. Step 3. Invest wisely. Investing is a powerful wealth-building tool, and it's essential to understand the fundamentals. Diversification is a key principle. It involves spreading your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. These asset classes may include stocks, bonds, real estate, and retirement accounts. Each asset class carries its own level of risk and potential returns, so diversifying your portfolio can help you optimize returns while managing risk. Consider the power of compounding when investing. Over time, your investments can generate returns on both your initial investment and the returns themselves. The longer you leave your investments to grow, the more significant the impact of compounding becomes. To get started with investing, open a brokerage account or utilize investment platforms that align with your goals and risk tolerance. If you're new to investing, consider consulting with a financial advisor who can provide personalized guidance based on your unique circumstances. Step 4. Increase income streams. While traditional employment is a valuable source of income, relying solely on a 9-to-5 job may not be sufficient for your millionaire journey. To accelerate your wealth building, explore additional income streams. One avenue to explore is the world of side hustles. Side hustles are part-time endeavors that can generate extra income. These can range from freelance work to selling products online. In the gig economy, there are numerous opportunities to turn your skills and interests into additional revenue streams. Entrepreneurship is another path to consider. Starting your own business can provide not only additional income, but also the potential for significant growth. Many successful millionaires have achieved their status by launching and scaling their own ventures. To identify the right income opportunities, assess your skills, interests, and resources. It's essential to choose income streams that align with your strengths and passions to ensure long-term success. Step 5. Continuously educate yourself. Financial literacy is the cornerstone of lasting wealth. To navigate the complex world of personal finance, investing, and wealth building, make a commitment to continuous education. Begin by understanding the basics of personal finance. This includes concepts such as budgeting, saving, and managing debt. There are countless resources available, from books to online courses, that can help you build a solid financial foundation. When it comes to investing, education is paramount. Familiarize yourself with various investment vehicles, risk management strategies, and market dynamics. Consider the role of risk tolerance in your investment decisions, as it can vary from person to person. Stay informed about economic trends and financial news. Understanding how global events can impact your finances will help you make informed decisions. Additionally, keep an eye on legislative changes that may affect your financial situation, such as tax laws. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from financial professionals when needed. A financial advisor can provide tailored advice and help you create a strategy that aligns with your goals. In conclusion, building wealth and achieving millionaire status is well within your reach, especially in 2023 or 2024. By setting clear financial goals, creating a detailed financial plan, making wise investments, diversifying your income streams, and continuously educating yourself, you're on the right path. Remember that wealth building is a journey that requires dedication and persistence, but the rewards are immense. This 5-step formula is not just a set of steps, it's a holistic approach to financial success. It's about aligning your mindset, goals, and actions to create lasting prosperity. Keep in mind that everyone's journey is unique, and success may not come overnight. Stay committed to your goals, stay adaptable, and never stop learning. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth exploration of wealth building and the path to becoming a millionaire. If you found this video valuable, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more comprehensive insights into personal finance and wealth building strategies. Remember, your journey towards becoming a millionaire begins today. Take that first step towards financial freedom, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. If you have any questions or need further guidance, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Your financial success is our mission, and we're here to support you every step of the way.